TheMadSnap'r went shopping again, y'all. On a website for cheap stuff. We bought a saw, and I was pleasantly surprised. Let's take a look.
I am not breaking out the mic. Don't plan on doing a big video on this. So we bought a Evolution chop saw, miter saw, multi blah 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 saw off the Home Depot. Looks like that. And I gotta turn this radio off so we don't get copyrighted, and I don't get sad because you tell lies. Yep. Anyway, so I've got I'm building a loft in the middle bay of the shop, so I need a saw, and I want a quick saw. But as I went to unbox this, I just realized with this blade and this saw, I can do steel, which makes me very, very happy because I do a lot of fabrication, a lot of metal work. So I am 100% looking forward to this. Let me get it out the package and put together. I'll post up this video. This saw seems to be equivalent to about a $600 saw I got for $2 and some change off the Home Depot, and it shipped it to the house for free. Shipped that to the house for free too. Concrete mixer they made me go pick up. I ordered all three of them at once on my Home Depot credit card and got 10% off because I'm a Pro Extra member. Cross cut, miter cut, I don't know what it means. Bevel cut, what the hell? Compound cut. That'll never happen. Look at that. It's a transformer. I don't know how to do none of that. I'm good. That's what I need. Maybe. That'll never happen either. That damn sure is not gonna happen. Either way, we're not gonna do a video putting this together because it's only like 5 pieces and everything looks like it slides together. Put the blade on. If you can't put this together, you don't need to be using it. That's pretty much it. But I will probably do a video of it being used in the future. I'm just happy. It's one of those very rare moments that you purchase something that's kind of costly and it turns out to be better than you expected. And I know Evolution does a lot of other metal saws too. I've seen it on Finnegan's Garage and various other garages that brand specializes in metal cutting. So I knew the brand, but I didn't know. Yeah, I'm just babbling now. All right, I'm gonna put this together. Anyway, here we go. Evolution saw for the win. Okay, we'll do a quick video of it being in pieces. Cat, that's not my cat. You just randomly come in, whatever. Anyway, so here's all the pieces. I have no idea what none of this shit does. I'm not a wood guy. Looks like I'm gonna need a screwdriver, maybe, possibly. I don't know. What does that do? Alright, Allen wrench. Bottom of the body. The blade. And the saw itself. Which is pretty heavy duty. Yep. So those are the pieces. Got rid of the box already. Yep, screwdriver. Tells you how to put on the blade. That's a big old thick book. Yep. I guess this is a blade sheath. Alright, let me put this shit together. Okay. We're gonna put it together anyway. We need to make all this look like that. And it doesn't really seem like that big of a deal. It tells you tools needed. 1 screwdriver, 10mm spanner. I don't know if that's going to be a wrench or a socket. 5mm Allen key, and hex key supplied, located in a dedicated storage position, which is right here on the back. So got my tools, pliers, screwdriver just in case, and then you get the scrolling through. You're like, man, that's oh, those are steps. Oh, that's a lot. So we're gonna put you on time lapse, and I'm gonna see if I can put this thing together and have it not cut off my fingers. Yep. And make it look like the picture. That's the goal, right? We want everything to look like pictures. Here we go. Real quick little side note. Reverse threads. I don't know if that's normal with saws or not. I don't do enough saw stuff to know, but it's definitely something you want to pay attention to anytime you assemble something. Reverse threads. All right, here we go. Couple little things to take note of. This piece here, don't put it on yet because your cord is supposed to go inside it, similar to this one. When you push the main body, the motor on, make sure you hear the click click, and I think that is it. They want you to go through and check all the nuts and bolts and tighten up everything. So I'm gonna do that now. Dust collector. This is probably gonna be an adapter for the vacuum cleaner. This is a little clampy doohickey thingy. Holds everything in place. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back on time lapse and finish doing a couple things, and we'll be ready to go. Sweet! Alright, just plugged it in. Haven't cut anything yet with it. We're gonna try this piece of board that may have nails in it. This little locking piece, I like it. It's adjustable, fit anywhere else. What else? The carriage lock. Just tighten it down, and it's good to go. Let's bring it a little further back. And let's fire it up. Ooh. So the stop on it, I wouldn't say slow. And the startup, I wouldn't say slow neither because it's generating more torque. It's all the foot-pounds. So that's pretty good. I'm not going to complain with that. Let's turn this radio off so I don't get copyright infringement. Bull crap. Yep. Can't hear none of that. All right, let's cut a piece. See what happens. I've got all my safety glasses on and my gloves and all that good stuff. See, ready? Nice, beautiful, clean cut. I don't even have anything supporting the wood, just this piece. I like it. Works for me. Do I have anything metal to cut? I really don't want to cut metal right now because I'm about to use the heck out of this, building several walls in this area to do a loft for storage. But I really want to know if it cuts nails. I'm sure it will. I like it. Undo the slide. Make the noise. I'm gonna do it again. Make the noise. If you make the noise, I'll stop. This is a depth stopper in case you don't want it to come all the way down. It's got a lot of features for the price. Rotates this way, rotates that way. All kinds of shit I'll never, ever, 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 ever do because I don't know how. Anyway, big dirty thumbs up on the Evolution saw from, oh, I almost said Hobo Freight, but nope, Home Depot. I like it. They do make mild steel blades, aluminum blades, pure wood blades from the brand Evolution, and also you can put your own off-name brands. Probably Diablo's probably my favorite. I use Diablo's for my Sawzalls because they're amazing. Anything else? Nope. I think that's it. Yep. If we got any questions, let me know, and we'll do an update in a year from now to see how it turned out. Might do another video of using it a little bit. Probably not. We'll see. Anyway, big dirty thumbs up. Oh, I had to do one more just to show the laser. That's so cool. Having nice tools. Nice.